Hello, 5 and 6, and welcome to Spring 2, Week 2 of your spelling sessions. Let me just share my screen with you so we can progress as we normally do with our spelling lesson 1 on a Monday, and I've gone back to the blue slides. I'm just going to turn my camera off because for the moment, because the sun's a little bit bright and it might be flaring on your screen. So I will disappear, but I am still here. So what did we look at last week? Let's just take a little rewind because we know we are looking at homophones, and moving on this week, we're going to be looking at more homophones and near homophones so that we can test our knowledge on Friday in our usual spelling test. So what is a homophone? Hopefully you've been talking to the screen and you've said words that sound the same but are spelt different and have different meanings. Okay, let's do a little game. If I can make sure I get the right screen to show which we are looking at. Where can I find that? That doesn't seem to, it's not that one. Are you on the right screen, Miss Hersey? Let's see if you can see. I think it should be this one. Let's just go back to the beginning and hopefully this is the screen that you are seeing. Guess the homophones. We'll just have a little game, a little warm up to see which one you think it is. So we've both got the word leek, we've got the vegetable and the tap. Which one goes in here? I chopped up a leek to put in my stew. Which one do you think? Of course it's this one. And then the outdoor tap has a leek. That's this leek, and you can obviously see that with the pictures. Let's look at this one. The people formed an orderly queue, obviously with the picture that's given our clue there as well. The snooker player hit the ball with the cue. The something looked after her newborn lamb. Well, we've got the word you, and there are 3 different spellings of this one. And again, the pictures help us to know which one to put where. So the ewe looked after her newborn lamb. The great yew tree swung in the breeze. And I think you should volunteer to clean up. Let's look at the next one. Okay, we've got the word boy, and you can see they're spelt differently. The picture helps us to know which goes where. The boy was very happy. The boy bobbed around in the water. So you can see just by going through these slides, we've got the word beach, him, feel. Now with the pictures, they help us, particularly when we've got sentence. Fur. The fir tree was covered in snow. My cat has very soft fur. So when we have a picture to help us, it's easier. I'm just going to stop sharing that one and just go back to my slides, which I think are this one. So it's just knowing how to spell the words. So we're going to be looking at near homophones this week. And again, hopefully you've had a look at this week's spellings. And again, we've got different homophones. This is our first one. And we say father. Now, father, this one is moving into the distance. We're going fur. Sometimes we do say father, or further along the road. It has the same meaning. And father or dad in your family. So we're going to have a little look, and I want you to do 2 or 3 of your pairs of words to create some letter bubbles, just to help you to remember how to spell them. And I've got a little example here on my other camera, which hopefully will change. And we look at, so if I might need to stop share, and can we see the other camera? Let's just see if it will appear, or is it just a black screen that you have got? Do I need to put the video on? That probably helps. There we go. So just move it out of the way. So this is where I've got a couple of examples here. I've got weary and weary, or wary and wary. Does depend on also how you say it. And I've put an example of what it means just to help me. So I have the word first. I write the word. I then write the word with a little bubble round it, coming round and lower down for a descender. I then write the bubble without it, and then hopefully I can write the word. I did make a little mistake there, so I've crossed it out. I did that with the other one, and you can see with this draft, we've got an ascender, and then we've got 2 ascenders. We don't have any descenders, just the actual design, or bubble, I should say. Then I can write the word. Helps me to remember where the spelling is. Now, I haven't put the meanings here, but you can do. So this is just a little activity just to have a go at doing some bubbly words around your spellings for this week. So we've got the date, Monday the 1st, we've got our spellings, we've got a picture here of the 2 explanations of weary. Wary. Again, depends on how you say it. And that's my little example that you have just seen. Same here in the screen. I'm just going to turn that camera off for the moment so it's not there. And then again, you can always do our added bonus. We're getting really on well with these. We're almost about halfway through with our year 5-6 spelling words. So let's have a little look at our next set of 5 words. But again, if you're familiar with these, you can choose 1, 2, as many of those activities as you'd like to, just to practice writing those words, using them in context, and just learning our spellings that we need for when we're in year 5 and 6. So we've got identity, immediate, individual, interfere, and interrupt. So you can go back, pause the video so you can see it on the screen, and then you can do any of those activities. So I'm going to stop sharing that screen. I'm going to go back to the camera, which I then need to change back to me. Hopefully, I'm having a few problems with my camera today, and I shall see you on Wednesday for spelling lesson 2. Bye for now.